What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about 3 unexpected compliment pullers. These are fragrances that you wouldn't expect to pull as many compliments as they actually do. But before I get into that, if you like the content I make here on YouTube and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that big red subscribe button down below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. They both help me out immensely. The first fragrance I'm going to be talking about is Jacques Bogart's Silver Scent. Who would have thought that such a unique fragrance would pull so many positive compliments? Here's the bottle design. Silver Scent is so unique. It smells like fabric softener, it smells like grape soda, and it's got a really lovely aromatic touch to it as well. You would be so surprised, so shocked by the amount of compliments that Silver Scent pulls. This bottle is $35 at most retailers. I'm referring to Chemist Warehouse's pricing in particular. So yeah, $35, massive compliments. People love the way this one smells, and whenever I'm wearing this, I always get asked, are you wearing Gucci? Are you wearing Gucci? Nah man, I'm wearing Silver Scent. I bet you've never even heard of it. But yeah, Silver Scent is fantastic for compliments and it performs incredibly well. Next up is another surprisingly cheap fragrance, and that is Davidoff's Champion. This is a controversial one because I know for a fact that this has a lot of terrible reviews online. And if memory serves correctly, I think this was in Jensen's worst fragrances of all time video. I don't know, I haven't watched that one for quite some time, but I'm pretty sure this was in it. It's definitely got one of the worst bottle designs. It's a dumbbell, get your reps in. And as for the fragrance itself, I really enjoy this one. It's a little aromatic, woody, green, touch of herbs in it as well. It smells fantastic, and every time I've worn it, surprisingly, I've gotten a compliment for it. Now, this isn't going to blow your socks off, but at $25 for almost 100 ml of fragrance, and something that will get you compliments because it's got that sort of fresh, masculine energy to it, you're going to get compliments for it, and you're only paying $25 for it as well from Chemist Warehouse. Performance is decent as well, about 6 hours. You can do a lot worse than this one, let me tell you that. I would much rather wear this than pretty much any of the Adidas fragrances, and they're in similar price brackets as well. And lastly, we've got the most recent fragrance on the list, CK Everyone Eau de Parfum. I love this fragrance because it is both unisex and it is vegan. I think the first person I showed this fragrance to was my sister, and she loved the way it smelled and she wanted the bottle for herself. This is fresh, clean, citrusy, and it has some powerful floral notes in it as well. You get a little bit of rose and some white floral touches as well. This one smells absolutely incredible and is easily the most versatile fragrance of the bunch. This is going to excel in the warmer weather. It's got a touch of that density that comes with being an eau de parfum, but it's still fresh, clean, and light enough to be worn in the high heat as well. This one probably, I would say, lasts a little longer than Davidoff's Champion, but not quite as long as Silver Scent. But for about $40 Australian, this one is incredible, and you are going to get massive compliments for it, just because a lot of the CK fragrances generally go under the radar. You pick one up when you're about 15 years old and you go, ooh, look at me, I'm wearing fancy designer Calvin Klein fragrances, but then you sort of stop wearing them because you realize the performance just isn't there, and you can spend less money on better performing fragrances. Not the case with CK Everyone. I really love the floral notes in this one. It is fantastic. And I think it's a great value fragrance, and you're going to get a lot of compliments for it as well. Anyways, if you've ever worn any of these before, let me know in the comments below. Can't wait to hear what you guys think. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.